Today's video is all about one of your favorites and one of the most requested recipes ever, the KFC Signature Sauce. And the best part? It's way easier to make than you ever imagined. Just get a sneak peek at the description section for all the ingredients and directions. Let's start by adding 1/2 cup of mayonnaise as our creamy base. Make sure you use a good quality one for the perfect flavor. Next, go in with 3 tablespoons of ketchup for that classic tangy sweetness. I wanted to make a little twist, so I added 1 tablespoon of BBQ sauce for a deep, smoky flavor. Now it's time for some yellow mustard. Add a teaspoon to bring in that subtle sharpness. Then, pour in 1 teaspoon of pickle brine with 2 tablespoons of Worcestershire sauce and give a rough mix until combined. Toss in 1 tablespoon of finely minced onion for a hint of texture and flavor. Now season it with 1/2 teaspoon of ground black pepper, 1/2 teaspoon of paprika, and 1/2 teaspoon of salt to balance everything out. Just give everything a quick mix. We're not going for perfect yet, just making sure all those sauces and seasonings start to come together nicely. Finally, add 1.5 teaspoons of sugar to round off all the flavors beautifully. Now that we have added all the ingredients, give your sauce the final mix. Look at that creamy golden perfection. Everything's come together beautifully, just like that classic KFC sauce we all love. This recipe makes about 1 cup of sauce, perfect for dipping fries, chicken tenders, or even spreading on burgers. Cover it up, chill for a bit, and it's ready to serve.